Hi everybody! And we are back. So yes, meron na naman kaming ipapakita about Army! Yes, so mag-unboxing lang tayo ngayon ng mga items that we were able to get from yung The Crafters Marketplace na event sa Glorieta. It's a craft day event. So with that, ito ang ating mga nakuha. So this is from Sheila Creates. Ayan. So, bumili kami ng mga keychain. There you go. So, meron kaming keychain ni Shuki, ni RJ, and then meron din kaming keychain ni Cookie. Ayan si Cookie. Ito si RJ. Ayan. And then, meron din kaming Chim Chim. Ayan. So, these are all from the craft day event ng TCM, and these are the freebies na binigay sa amin ng Sheila Create. So thank you so much. So if ever that you wanted to get one, you can find them in Instagram or Facebook too. And then we have another one. Ito naman, we found them sa Facebook group, or yeah. And then, ang pangalan ng store nila is Lachi Bolalas. Ayan. And these are the freebies that we got from them for the items na nakuha namin. So, ito yung mga freebie. Usually, nagbibigay sila ng purple na hair tie. Yay! And then, merong photo card. And, merong face masks. Ayan. And, meron ding free na notepad. So, iset aside natin yung mga freebies natin. Ito na ang uunahin nating i-unbox from Lachi Molala. Yes! Kumuha kami ng Uniball pen. Let's unbox this. Ito siya. Ayan yung mga design niya. But, let's unpack them to see kung gaano sila ka-cute. Ayan. So nakalagay pala sila dito sa box. Ayan. So, ganyan mo siya tatanggalin isa-isa. Ayan. Check them all. Nice. Yan, there you go. Ito sila. Ang cute. Oh, si RJ. Ayan, si Tata. Ito naman yung group. Okay, so, ito si Chim Chim. Si Cookie. Si Mang. Ayan. Si Shuki at si RM. Ayan. So, ito yung mga pens natin. Let's try it out. So, makikita nyo, bago pa talaga yung pens. Kasi naka-closed pa sila, o naka-sealed pa sila lahat. Yan. So, never been used. Yung mga pens natin. Yan. Yan natin isa-isa. Para makita natin if it's something na worth buying. So, dahil naka-sealed naman sila lahat, try natin yung black. Yan. So, i-unseal natin siya. Yan. So, kita nyo. Kakatanggal lang natin and then let's try it. Try it. BTS Army. I love it. Actually, ballpoint siya pero para siyang fine. Uniball siya pero para siyang fine. Ang ganda ng sulat niya. There. Hindi siya ganun kakapal. Okay, so let's unbox the next item. Yes, smooth like butter. Ito naman, Tiny Tan Animation Clock. Let's see kung paano to gumagana. Okay, let's unbox this. Naka-sealed pa siya. Okay. Ito na siya ngayon. Nice. So, meron siya nitong Tiny Tan Animation Clock User Manual. Ayan. Then, let's try it. Nakita ko meron na siyang kasamang batteries. So, let's try this. Ang cute! I hope nakikita nyo siya. Para siyang, meron akong ganitong laruan nung bata ako eh. Anyway, so let's open this. Let's put in the batteries. Yan. Sana wag tayong magulat. Ooh, parang may nag-open agad. So, close natin. There you go! Ayan siya. Ang cute niya. Ang super cute niya, guys. So, mamaya ko na siya ayusin kung anong itsura niya. But definitely, ilalagay namin to sa aming room. Ang cute niya. Okay, let's unbox the next item. Eto na siya. Because of course, we're always working in our laptop. Kaya bumili kami ng keyboard pad. So, buksan natin yung isang keyboard pad. Ayan. Nice! Ang haba niya, oh. Mas mahaba pa siya sa braso ko. Ayan. And, sobrang squishy niya. Open from the plastic. Ayan, oh. I love it. Sobrang lambot niya. Ayan, guys. Sobrang lambot niya. So, maganda siya for your armrest or for the, para dito sa hand nyo. Sa wrist. Ayan. Then, we have two more. This, si Chim Chim at si Cookie. So, pareho silang blanket. Di ko na sila i-unbox, but ganito yung itsura nilang dalawa. So, if you want this, items, you can check Lachi Molala. Yes, hindi kami sila na-advertise because we got something from them and this is an unpaid advertisement, but so far sila kasi nakita namin na legit. When we order, we can actually grab it the same day. So I hope you guys like the video, and if you like it, if your friends would be interested in seeing it, please like this and please share the video. Bye!